You watch this video step by step, and you can able to open a verified paper account in Nigeria. So without further ado, let's get to PC and get started. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel on notification bell because you don't want to miss many amazing video like this. So let's continue, guys. Here we are, guys. So if you are looking for a way to create a paper account in Nigeria that can receive, and let's get started. These are the requirements that you need to get started. You need an email, your phone number, a national ID. Everything must be real, no fake identity, because we are going to register as in Nigeria in another country. So you don't want to use any fake ID, because when paper asks you for verification, you have to provide what you use for the verification. So as for now, we are going to diving into the tutorial right now. So first thing I'm going to do is to get another browser because I have a paper account. So let me show you that this proof, and I've been using this paper for quite a while now, and even logging without using any VPN. As you can see in my browser here, I don't have any VPN. As you can see down here, you can't see any VPN launch. So I'm using my browser to log in. As you can see, this is Nigerian. I'm going to log in this paper right now. So I've been receiving like a lot of money here. So as you can see here, payment, like most of the times. That is let me just close this thing. So I don't have to maybe use VPN for this thing or anything like this. So I've been using it for maybe like since 2021 or maybe 2020. Let me just check the date. Maybe 2020, 2021. Right. I think you should see something here. And we should see the first time I made payments. So okay, there are no transactions in this day range. So let's just continue. Then the thing I'm going to do is to open another browser. If you have already opened a paper account in another browser before, so I urge you to use another browser. You can use any clone or anything that you have. So for this sake, I think I should use a Brave browser. I think I should use the Brave browser. Let me just launch my Brave browser, and maybe make sure you keep everything ready at hand. Your national ID must be real, must be yours. Your photo must be there. Everything must be clear. Okay, in case of verification. I don't know what is going on here. So if the app insists that it won't go, I'll just go ahead and use another one. If you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. Waiting for my browser to load. I'll just load another one. So let me just see. So I need to close out the browser here. That's right. I need to stop this VPN from running too. So we are not using any VPN here, like at all. So first thing I'm going to do is to go to paper.com/ZA. So this is a paper South Africa that we are going to open. This is a paper South Africa. Oh, a network. I have to connect again. Let me just pause the video and connect again. So as you can see here, we go for the paper.ZA. So I just want to check something out. So I think this is running. Good. So next we are going to do is as you can see here, this is personal and this is business. So we are going for the business. The next thing you need to do is to click on sign up, and I think they will ask you to choose between the two. So you have to choose a business account. So choose the business account, and the next thing you will need is your email. You need to log in your email. Your email provided. So which country do you live in? So you can choose uh South Africa. So let me just search for my new email that I'm going to use, because I think I've opened a lot of paper. So let me just check if I can use one of my email here. I think I have some Outlook email. Just switch for it. Okay, so I'll just close this one down. Go this one. Go this one too. Open this one. So South Africa. No, okay, South Africa. Boom. Then get started. So first thing it asks me is to input my number. So by continuing, you confirm you are the owner and provider of the number, you agree to receive of automated effect, and charges may apply. Okay, this is why where most of us have a problem. Okay, this is where most of us have a problem which you are going to solve right now, because I love using South Africa paper. I don't know the reason, because I've been using Lesotho, South Africa, UAE, but I prefer South Africa. I don't know the reason, but it has been working for me, so good. So right now I will just want to go back here and do something. I want to go back here and test something. So after selecting business accounts, now I'm going to try and select something is not right. So sign up business accounts. I think I want to change something here and see how it goes. So I'm just doing some kind of testing here. What is our Nigeria here? So I want to choose Nigeria and check something. So as you can see, oh, something has changed. As you can see here. So I want to do something again. Boom. So I'll just agree with this each one. Let's send it to 6698. Then continue. So code will be sent to this. So we don't have to use this one. Now that's called for where I always get my phone number. So right now the trick I'm going to use about the paper, this paper is not available anymore, which means the service provider are not providing the South Africa number anymore. So before I just purchase the number, and then after I finish my paper creation, and I change my primary name to normal Nigeria name. So now right now we're going to change it to AE, which is the UAE. Good. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on sign up. As we proceed, select a business account and continue. So you'll be asked to provide an email, as I said before. The number is, and network is somehow slow. I'm just do this thing. I'm tired of waiting. So guys, I'm like so happy very right now. I'm checking my Twitter account and think I was picked for free NFT. As you can see here, if you can see this is Lakeside Nation. I was chosen for NFT. I don't even know. Oh, this is great. So without further ado, let us continue. Everything is good. So I'm just going to enter my new email I want to use here. So it's from at hotmail.com. Boom. So password. Let me input my password. Good. Okay. So the next thing you are going to do here, so you have to word this thing. So wow, I'm registering this for my brother Farouk. So Fac Empire. So the next thing is to input a phone number here. So the number you are going to input right now will be Nigeria one. Okay, your real phone number. H107826698. So they are asking for the PO box. First thing, you can select the Emirates, as you can see, or Dubai, and input your own address. So city. So that's it, and change this to US dollar. So as you can see here, I didn't use any fake details except for this state. Okay, so let us agree and continue. So this is how you create a paper. So describe your business. Just select individual, which is sole proprietorship, the products, websites, or just marketing. Let me see, marketing. Can we see kind of marketing? Okay, professional service rather. So website, I can just go for So I want you guys to check something out right now. As I just open my paper account right now, I think I got blocked because the thing is my VPN auto on itself in USA. Okay, so I think I'm going to conclude this video right here right now. So I think my paper got blocked because of this VPN. I failed to on my first videos. Okay, so I think I'm going to create another video which is from scratch to scratch. So this is the message I got. Let me just show you guys. So first thing they asked me about, they asked me to add an additional for my business, and the next thing I see is that you can no longer do business with paper. As you can see, after a review, we decide to permanently limit your account as a form potential risk. You're not able to use. Still, they block this paper even before opening it. So that is to warn you that never ever make the same mistake as I made right now. Never use any VPN, please. Don't use any VPN when you open your paper. Okay, that way my pivot tricks is still working if you want to. So maybe I will just find a time and create a rule that you can create and stop paying for person to help you open paper account. Although if you come to me that you don't know how to open paper, after I've shown you the video that you want me to help me, want me to help you to open the paper myself, I will collect money from you. That means because I'm using my time to help you out. Okay, so I will create a video on it. If I can't create, I will drop the link in the description we can use to create it. So thank you for watching. I think I will be concluding this thing. This is a one mistake that I made that you should avoid. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.